Hey everybody, this is Mary and welcome back to the kitchen. We are in late summer and I'm harvesting okra. My okra has done absolutely great this year and I am so thankful for that because we really enjoy okra. I've been struggling for a way to preserve the okra where it's not slimy because that definitely is a problem with the okra. Well, I found something this year on another YouTube channel. Come on, let's face it, we all watch other channels sometimes. But this was Wanda from Deep South Homestead. And she said that you can actually can okra and it not be slimy. So I had to try it. And guys, it works. It really, really, really does. But right now, I'm cutting up all my okra. I have green okra. Oops, there's another piece that got a little too hard. That's going in the compost pile. I'm not going to put that in with my chickens. Don't want them to get choked on it. But anyway, I have green okra and I have red okra. So I'm going to cut it up and then we'll get all the ingredients out and we'll can this stuff. And let me tell you, it tastes fantastic. I was a skeptic and I had to try it. But I have put up several pints this way already and I will continue putting it up this way until my harvest is done. Okay guys, I've got the okra cut up. So now we're going to go ahead to the next step. Okay, per Wanda's recipe, it's 2 quarts of okra, 6 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons non-iodized salt, and 10.5 cups of water. That's it. So, let's get all this in the pot and get it stirred up. We're going to bring it up to a boil before we put our okra in. We got everything stirred up. Now we're just waiting on it to come up to a boil. Okay folks, I have brought my vinegar mixture up to a boil. And I'm going to add my cut up okra. I've cut it up into pretty good sized pieces. Because when I eat okra, I want a bite. I don't want to have to get 2 or 3 pieces on my fork. I'd rather just get a bite. Anyway. Okay. I'm going to mix all that up. Put my lid back on there. Okay, I'm going to bring it back up to a boil. And it's going to boil for 8 minutes. Okay. Our mixture has boiled for 8 minutes. So it's time to get the lid off there. And all we are going to do is take this okra and turn the heat down so it doesn't continue to cook. It's cooked enough. We're going to take the okra out. Kind of mash it down in there. Try to get it to settle a little bit. Mash a little bit more because we want the jars full. Because my goal is to make a serving for 2 people here. Because that's really all that likes it in our household is 2. I'm taking my ladle and I'm going to put the broth, which is the vinegar, the water, and the salt in here. Take my canning funnel, put it over here. Okay, I have it a little bit too full, so I'll throw that 1 piece back. Okay, I'm going to wipe the rim off. That way anything that may have dropped on there is gone. Okay. I've had my canning lids sitting in warm water even though that's not recommended for the newer ones. These are older ones that I found. So I am softening them up in warm water. Okay, all we're doing is putting the lid on tight. Not finger tight like you would do when you can, but tight. And it will seal. And folks, it is preserved. You don't have to be afraid of it. It has vinegar in there, so it has a light pickle. And I have made these 3 or 4 times already this summer. I am so glad that I found a way to preserve okra. It's not slimy. That is one of my main things with okra, is it being slimy. This is not. Okay, so you mash it down in there. Put your broth in there. And we'll keep going until we get them done. Okay, folks. I have the okra in a jar. I started out with 2 of these, which is 16 cups. Okay. I got 6 pints. It cooked down that much. But let me tell you guys, this is so good. I am so glad that Wanda from Deep South Homestead taught us how to do this. Okay, I'll make another video later on about how I prepare it, but I'll tell you how to do it right real quick. You open the jar, you drain it, you rinse it, and you can saute it in bacon grease. Any way that you would do okra, it's already 3/4 of the way cooked. Okay, so I've done it like that. And also, I have just taken cornbread, mixture, cornmeal, whatever you dip your okra in, added seasonings to it, and fried it. I mean, that's it. Or you could just drain it, rinse it, and eat it like this. Because it really is good and it's not slimy. I know I'm going on and on, but I'm really impressed with this. So if you were to have one not sealed, because occasionally, guys, if you can, you know that you are going to have something that the lid just fails on. Put it in the refrigerator and eat it within 2 days. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. And I really honestly hope you like this as well as what me and my family do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.